Hold on, let me adjust something real quick. We have all the different sizes.
Yep. 70, 80, 90.
80, 90. Oh man, that nose wheel looks so much better.
Yeah, the nose wheel they put on it.
It's too big, but they do it because of grass. I understand why they do it.
People on grass.
I know, who cares? They can adjust. He's aimlessly wandering off to one side. I gotta turn now because this thing has a bad turning radius. Are you scaring the squirrels? Bro, what are you doing? Why doesn't it hold? Why doesn't it remember your setting?
It does.
Do you have the trim active? Alright, so I guess I'm in front. I'm gonna go. You ready? Doesn't sound very convincing.
I never.
You ready?
Ready.
Alright.
You guys go. Nate.
I'm gonna switch the pattern for Frank. Sorry, Nate. Fans sound better, Frank? Woo, there's that howl.
Time remaining, 3 minutes.
Back around and get behind you.
Okay.
I want to do some high alpha. We gotta come the other side.
Yeah, we gotta go the other way.
On this possible part.
So Nate, we're coming around this time, but the next pass we're gonna turn into the wind.
Okay.
We're downwind right now.
Time remaining, 2 minutes.
I know, we're going slow.
I do that.
Good, right?
This thing is so easy to control on high alpha. I'm looping it back around to get behind you.
Let's do that again. Let's do a tandem high alpha.
Yeah, I'll do it on the whole turn.
I'm gonna be furthest out.
Okay. Whoa, weird wind. You feel that? That was something weird.
It was like, nope,
1 minute.
not doing that.
The wind pushed it to the
Yeah,
side.
the wind was like, buddy, that's not how this is gonna work.
No. keeps turning into the wind.
It does, yeah.
The wind is off to the left, so it keeps trying to turn to the left. Out for Nate. Oh, this fan is way better now that it's balanced. This plane moves even better now.
9, 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
Whoa, Frankie!
I'm gonna pull up, Nate.
I had motor off for like 30 seconds. Just putting around high alpha.
I want to land with you guys. I'm keeping my phone.
1 minute over.
I'm doing a sneak pass. No motor.
Oh, yeah! That was cool.
Going up.
Dude, this thing, the rudder is good. Coming in. Oh, shit.
When do you guys want to think about coming in?
Soon. I've been so low throttle.
Yeah, same. I've only gotten full throttle a couple times. I think I'm gonna start that now.
Okay.
Gear down. 2 minutes over.
Yeah, I'm coming in.
Landing. I'll land behind
Problem is now the wind's getting better and I don't want to leave. I'm all the way to the left, Nate. Ah! You alright?
you. Yeah, I'm good. I held up. I was holding up to get the nose up, and then it popped off the ground.
Oh.
Landed.
It's all good, bro.
I'll be clear by the time you're here, Frank.
Yeah, it's all good.
Okay, good. Alright, you're clear.
You know what? I scraped it there before, and I coated it in CA where it scraped, so it didn't know.
So it doesn't do anything? Good. Good stuff. That was fun.
Oh, got my landing out of the video. That was horrible. Well,
We don't do editing.
I was holding up and I was checking
I know.
where you are, and I looked back and my phone.
I figured that's what it was. I shouldn't have said it. I was off to the left though.
No,
I
that's all good. Plane's fine.
always try to let people know so they don't come hit me.
It's all good. Plane's fine.
How long are we flying?
I was flying almost 7 minutes.
I flew 6 minutes 44 seconds.
So my time is around 4:38 over.
4:38 over? 3 minutes?
3:30 plus 4:38.
That's over. That's almost 8 minutes.
On a 6 minutes.
And I'm on a 4,000,
Yeah.
but that's a
But
a smaller
that's a
engine.
90.
That's a 90.
4,200.
Yeah,
That's a 90, baby.
Not bad.
pretty impressive. Very nice. Very nice.
the reason people keep tipping it over is because of that.
That
Yeah, the
gear,
roller.
yeah.
It's annoying.
Yeah.
Like it's cool when he goes in, it's like.
But
like, ah.
if you hit just a little bit of a crosswind,
Yeah, it'll just go.
yeah. Pull up next to
yeah,
mine.
pull up mine.
Whoa, that thing's hauling. There we go. Perfect. Good way to end it. It looks good. You just gotta
You gotta finish it off.
well, they're not quite scale. Close enough though.
That's what I thought. I was like,